If your toolbox is your best friend, you're exactly who we need. Hey there. Are you a skilled technician in Pakistan looking for better job opportunities? TRG Recruitment has got you covered. We are hiring for top technical roles in Saudi Arabia, and we want you to join our team. First up, we need electrical and maintenance planners. With a salary of 6,000 to 6,500 SR plus a 35% allowance, this role is perfect for those with SAP system knowledge and a knack for corrective, breakdown, and preventive maintenance. Next, we're looking for UPS technicians. If you have a solid background in UPS systems, battery chargers, and batteries, and can troubleshoot like a pro, this job is for you. Earn 2,300 to 2,400 SR plus full accommodation and transportation provided by the company. Finally, we need emergency diesel generator technicians. If you know your way around diesel generators and pumps and have strong electrical and mechanical troubleshooting skills, this role offers the same great package of 2,300 to 2,400 SR with full accommodation and transportation. Sound good? Send your resume to +92313154667 now and take the first step toward a brighter future. Ready to make a move? Join TRG Recruitment and power up your career in Saudi Arabia today. Remember, amazing opportunities await you. Don't wait. Act now. See you in Saudi Arabia.